Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to invest in cryptocurrency, specifically VeChain on eToro, step by step. First, open the eToro app and log into your account. Then you will get here. Next, tap on the search bar and start typing VeChain. Select it from the results and now tap the trade button to start your purchase. Decide how much you would like to invest, and you can also adjust order type. You can pick market order to buy immediately at the current price, or limit if you want to set a specific price. Finally, click on buy, and that's basically it. Go to your portfolio to check your investment by tapping on the pie chart. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your research before making any investment decision. Happy trading, and may the bull market be with you.